Today we are going to move our sprite by using our keyboard. Hello friends, welcome back to our channel. My name is Alvina and you're watching Alvina and Alina's channel. So let's open Scratch. Now type SCRATC scratch.mit.edu. Enter. Now click on Start Creating. So I want to upload a sprite. So let me search in Google. Images. This one is pretty nice. But this one's pretty cute. Let me just this. Yes. Desktop. POWERPUFFGIRL. Now let me come back over here. Click on this and upload. Now desktop. This one. Open. You can see over here I got this character. Now I want a beautiful background. So let me open another tab. POWERPUFF girls room AACKGROUN images. Let me take this one. Save image as. Okay, let me come back to this page. Click on this background and click on this upload. Over here, click on this desktop and I had saved this one and click on open. See over here, it came beautiful background. So now I have uploaded the sprite, means background. Okay, now we need to do the codings. Click on this Powerpuff Girls and drag. Click on this events. Click on this events, then drag the second option. You have to drag it 4 times. Okay, 1, 2, 3, and 4. Okay. You can place it neatly. It's okay. Click on this motions and slowly scroll down and you'll see this change X by. Just drag it twice. Okay. Now over here you can see change Y by, drag that one. Okay. Okay, now we need to change the, let this be right, let this be left, this one down, this one down, no, not down. Oh, now let's check. Yes, it's working. So that's all friends. Thanks for watching this video. Like, share, subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon for upcoming videos. Bye. See you in next video.